Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you a quick tutorial on how you can style your natural hair for work, pretty much any function. If this sounds like something you're interested in, then please stay tuned. And of course, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment in the comment section below, and please share this video. I'll see you as we go right into it. So for this video, I'll be using one pack of Darling Kinky. You may want to use more than one depending on how full you want the hair to turn out, but for this video I prefer to use one pack. I'm going to be using a thread, I'm going to be using an eco styler gel for this hairstyle, and then of course I'm just going to use a regular cutting comb. So I'm just going to divide the hair into a part that I want. So you might want to use the center part, a side part, or whatever part you choose. Also, since I don't want to use a rubber band on my hair, I just used a stretchy rope to pack the hair so that it doesn't catch my hair, but at the same time it does the job of a rubber band. So you just go right ahead and patch your hair and then get it ready to be put in a bun. So I'm just braiding the ends of the hair just so that everything is kept neat and tidy for the placing of the extension. So at this point I take a bit of the gel, rub it into my palm, and then just start applying on my hair directly. So I'm just applying like you would a normal cream to the hair, just applying in bits per time so that you're able to capture every strand of your hair.
Keep all your game, highs and lows, highs and lows. It's all the same, highs and lows, highs and lows. Keep all your game, highs and lows, highs and lows. It's all the same, highs and lows, highs and lows.
So after applying the gel to my edges, I'm just going to go right ahead and tie a silk scarf on the top to secure the edges, and then I'm just going to go right ahead and work on the extension. So for the extension, what I do is I join the two sections together and I sew them loosely. At the edge, while holding the thread, I push them together to form a bunch, and I tie it up, and then I cut my thread off. So now that the hair is already done, I'm going to be using a thread and needle to secure the extension to the end of my bun. So notice I'm going to be sewing around the edge of my bun, not directly on top of my hair, but just around.
Keep all your game, highs and lows, highs and lows. It's all the same, highs and lows, highs and lows. Keep all your game, highs and lows, highs and lows. It's all the same, highs and lows, highs and lows. Keep all your game, highs and lows, highs and lows. It's all the same, highs and lows.
And that's it for me, guys, on this video. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like, give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment in the comment section if you do try this out. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.